Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the right iPhone and software. Now start the satellite flow. First, open Messages and pick a contact or emergency contact. Once done, tap the Send via Satellite option that appears when cellular is unavailable. This kicks off the connection wizard. Make sure location services and messages permissions are enabled because satellite needs accurate location to route your message. Also keep battery and low power mode in mind. Satellite sessions use more power, so conserve energy before you begin. Once the connection starts, the app shows arrows and guidance. Follow them and slowly rotate until your phone locks on to a satellite. You do this because direct line of sight is required. Trees, buildings, or clouds can block the link. Compose concise messages and use suggested replies when available, because shorter payloads transmit faster. If the app asks to share your location, approve it. That reduces back and forth and helps the relay route your message properly without repeated attempts. After you send, watch for the confirmation that the message went out via satellite. You should see a dedicated label in the conversation. Once you regain cellular coverage, make sure the recipient got it and continue the conversation over regular SMS if possible, because satellite is slow and costly in time. If the send fails, move to a clearer patch of sky, retry the satellite option, and restart your phone if prompts persist. This clears temporary radios and permissions that sometimes block the handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.